Good morning, students. We are doing now the third one in a topologies, that is nothing but mesh topology. Now we are doing mesh topology. So in this case I am taking one more thing, that is new file I am taking. So here same as like a bus and star topology, we are going to connect one network device. I am taking one switch, so that switch may be some different switches I am taking. So here 4 number of devices I am taking, 4 switches. So already know, if you have 4 nodes, then automatically n minus 1 connections you need to establish them. Okay, in between them you need to establish n minus 1 connections. So that is the rule. So in a mesh topology. So here the connectivity of this thing. So here these all devices are also having some power facility. These switches are having some power facility to test whether they are working properly or not. First of all, so I am doing a backbone. So to establish a backbone, just to connect this one with this one, and second thing I am going to connect with this thing with this thing. So next I want to connect with this one with so this one, and one more connection, so this one with so this one. So one connection is already completed, but I want to do so connection between these two also. Okay, so these two also, because I am doing mesh connection. So in mesh connection this is mandatory. So here from this to this one also. So on each node or on each device we have 3 different connections. So for suppose if we have n number of connections, n number of devices, n minus 1 connections are possible. So that is the disadvantage, because you need to run number of wires in mesh topology. But what is the advantage? If any one fail, if any one link fail, automatically the system is going to run. Okay, there is no disturbance for the system. We will see right now. So first I am taking some devices, whether PCs or laptops, that is your wish. So 4 devices I am going to connect here. So see, so now here the cross connection not required, direct straight connections you need to do. So fast Ethernet under this device. Okay, next here also I am going to connect the fast Ethernet on this thing. So here also I am connecting this thing with this one. Okay. Next here this one with this. So connectivity completed. Now in mesh topology, how you need to work with all this? So for that we need to give IP addresses for each one. So to give IP addresses, I am taking one thing, that is, so this for this one 192.168.1.0. okay, so some address. I don't know why we need to take this thing, is nothing but class C addresses we are preferring always. So for that I am giving that class C address, IPv4 address. So this one. So next you need to copy and paste. Okay. Then one more time. So one more time. So now, so I want to change the addresses to this one to maybe 10. So this one to maybe 95. So this one maybe 50. Okay. So now, so these are the alignment what I did. So now I want to change the inside thing. So 192.168.1.0. 192.168.1.0. 192.168.1.0. Okay, subnet mask. So 255.255.0.0. Okay, so 192.168.1.0. Okay, so done. Now, so for this one, config this one, and so the subnet mask here 192.168.1. What is that address? 10. So but the subnet is same 255.255.255.0. Done. So for this also just put 255.255.255.0. Okay. 1.1. So same addresses I need to give 1.168.1.1. Okay, done. Next to this is 50. Okay, 192.168.1.50. Okay, so then this one is 192.168.1.95. Okay, done. So these all are completed. So now we need to check with the messages. Okay, so from here to here, see, successful. So the thing is successful in real time. If you want to do in simulation mode, so this will like, okay, from that place to any one route it will take. So not only that route, always it doesn't take same route. So that is taking this route in this time. Next once again take same route. So like that. Okay. Now same thing I want to check. But I want to stop this thing. Stop simulation in real time. So here click on this thing. That is success. Mesh topology is working. Right now mesh topology is working. But I want to check with my different data. So now if I am off this thing. Okay. Now this switch is in off state. This link is in off state. So now I want to simulate whatever. So that same message taking another path. See, direct path. Okay. The same message taking direct path. See, delete. First of all, I am deleting the thing. So here, from here to here and here. So if I run this thing, so failed. So why it is failed? First thing, because already one connectivity is there. In between them there is one connectivity, but one time it is failed. But all times it is not going to fail. So see, failed. So see once again here and here. In real time, successful. See, so the communication is done through this way, successful. In slow motion also you can see. See once again, delete the thing and put the message in this. And in this directly run it. The message is going so in this way, and the message is going to next node. So that is reached the destination and it is coming back. Just wait, yeah, and reaches to the next thing. So this is the advantage in mesh topology. If one of the node is failed, so then also it will work. So that is the main advantage in the mesh topology. That is we observe. Okay, thank you. Done. Mesh topology is done.